So before joining the IML program, I had been in touch with Chitej. I had known about him. I had seen his videos. I wasn't much into all the other stuff, but I had seen some of his videos and I tried to do some of the things that he used to mention in the free YouTube videos. And using that, I think I had 5, 6 sessions in my life and I would go out and start approaching random people. I did get some results here and there. Sometimes I would get numbers and stuff like that. I just went on one date out of all of those sessions from all the numbers that I got. But other than that, whenever I would get like rejections, that would really fuck me up. Like I would really take it to my heart, and my emotional state would be down for like days. So I didn't know. I didn't have any system. I didn't know how to handle that. I didn't know how to systematically go about all of that and learn the skill. So yeah, that was on the cold approach end. In terms of my mindsets, I had a lot of insecurities about my height, right? Like I used to tell myself all the time that, it does not matter, whatever, it's all about how fun you are, what vibe you ooze and stuff like that. But then deep down, I was not able to believe it because I didn't have any experiences to back up that story that, it doesn't matter how tall you are or how jacked you are or how much money you have or shit like that. Yeah, I mean, I wasn't able to believe it, and that would show up in the way I would communicate with people. That was like one of the major issues, like in terms of my confidence. Other than that, I think although the cold approach scene was not going that well, but I had a decent online dating scene going on. I had been on quite a lot of dates. Maybe I had been on some 10 to 20 dates between 2019 and 2020 when I joined Chitej's program. All that was fine. I wasn't super stoked about it because the kind of people I was meeting were not actually the kind of people I was really attracted to. But then I was getting by, I would say. I signed up because I wanted to attract the kind of girls that I feel like, wow, like this is the one I want to date. And she looks amazing and I want to get to know her. So those kind of people which I was not, getting from online dating, I wanted to, meet with those people with the help of cold approach. So that's one of the reasons that I joined. But other than that, I think there were a lot of other issues as well. For example, a lot of times I would not be able to, make the move or not be able to get physical with the other girl, even if she's like really, I didn't realize it then, but now when I look back, I realize that there were a lot of times when the girl really wanted me to make a move, but I couldn't because I was really scared, and all of those fear of rejection and stuff would go into my head. There were scenarios when there's a girl in my room and she's sitting right next to me, but still I'm not able to make the move with her, and then she would just get annoyed and leave. At that time I didn't understand why this is happening, but now when I've understood how things work, and now when I look back, then I realize that I really fucked up. But yeah, I mean, those were some of the issues that I had before joining the mentorship, and I wanted to solve them. Majorly I just wanted to meet the kind of people that I wanted to meet, which was not happening using online dating. So then I signed up, I think somewhere around November 2020 with Kshitij. I had like an amazing experience here. I mean, Kshitij, of course, like the content that he gives, it's like a Bible. Even after 1 year, recently I rewatched some of his videos, and even after such a long time, when you see that, you find new nuggets and new things that you can build into the way that you talk to people. So the content is like absolutely amazing. Secondly, the support that these guys give you. It's not just Kshitij. They have a couple of other coaches as well. Kshitij helps you out with your overall like role plays and stuff like that. There's another coach who helps you with your texting. So once you get the number or the Instagram of someone, how to text with them and how to set dates with them and stuff like that. There is another coach who also helps out with your question and answers. Like you literally have like 3 sessions every week where all of these different topics are covered. I mean, it was really kick-ass for me. Kshitij was able to identify things that I didn't even know that I was doing, but he would like just by the way I would come to him with problems, he would just figure out that acha ye ho raha hoga, ye kar raha hoga, you might be doing this now. I'm like, yeah dude, how are you a mind reader or something? So yeah, I mean, the experience was amazing. If you don't want to wait until the Q&A session every week, you can also post your questions on the Facebook group. I think with this, one of the most important things which kind of helped me was getting rid of the shame. Initially, when you're dating, I don't know about like the general public, but for me, this was an issue that when I'm going on a date with someone, somehow it used to feel very unnatural. And if I'm getting physical with someone, it would feel like something wrong for some reason. But joining this mentorship, being in a community where everybody is trying to improve themselves, I kind of accepted myself as a person who enjoys sex and enjoys being physical with people. That acceptance came about with the help of the community, and that I think played a major role in me oozing out that confidence that fuck you, whatever, I'm here, you're here, I'm attracted to you, you are attracted to me, let's talk. That was really helpful and amazing. It's been, I think, almost be a year since I joined Kshitij. It's really changed the way I approach this whole dating scenario. Although with pure cold approach, I don't think I've been on a lot of dates. It might be as much as the number of dates I went on through online dating before joining Kshitij. But then even with my online dating, Bumble dates, Tinder dates, stuff like that, I actually could feel that they are attracted to me, which I could not feel that strongly before joining the mentorship. I knew that how to put myself out there, put my personality on the front line, what mistakes not to do, which I was doing like a lot of them, which kill the attraction in the eyes of the girl. That really I think the number of people I've met and have been able to build good relations with has been almost quadrupled after in the last 1 year. Like that's really awesome. Other than that, I mean, I feel really confident in my skin now. I don't care. Like there have been scenarios when I'm hitting on someone and then there is some dude who is like 6 feet tall, jagged as fuck, and wearing all these really expensive stuff. And when I look at him, I feel like, अरे क्या ही कर लेगा, मतलब यहाँ का तो सबसे बड़ा खिलाड़ी मैं ही हूँ. That kind of confidence, like when it comes from within, you don't give a fuck about who is around you or who is trying to do what. And you're so happy and calm knowing that everything will be fine. Like you will be able to do what you're meant to do, and even if it doesn't happen, it doesn't matter as long as you stick to the process. So that has been like a really big journey for me. Other than that, I think majorly now it's all about having options. So I would definitely not settle for someone in any case. I have the confidence and like the belief inside me that I know that I can find someone who will make my life better, who I really like and who I'm attracted to, and I'm on that journey now. So it really feels amazing. That's all. Thank you, Kshitij, for this amazing journey for the last 10-11 months, and I would forever be grateful to all of you for really changing my outlook towards life and dating in general. Thanks.